Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to fix your problem when you get internet connection like I have but cannot browse Google Chrome because it says your clock is behind. On your REALME C25s. So to do this you need to go to your settings, scroll down and find setting additional settings. From there go to date and time and just enable set automatically like this. And if we go back now to Google Chrome and reload the page, it should open. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.